Hi, thanks for joining me today. So we're going to talk about the autonomic nervous system. So there's different parts to the autonomic nervous system. So we've got the ventral vagal, where we're feeling safe, we're feeling connected, and we're feeling engaged and feeling social. So when we can also feel like that we can cope with whatever life might throws at us when we're in this state. We've also got the sympathetic nervous system. So in the sympathetic nervous system, we can become feeling frantic, we can be feeling overwhelmed, and we can start to become in an agitated, fearful state. And when we're in this state, it has an impact on our body physiologically. So we'll notice our pupils become dilated, we'll get an increased heart rate. And when we're in this state, this is like the fight, flight, freeze response, where our body's repairing us to either fight or to flee from a dangerous situation. And also we've got the dorsal. The dorsal state is where we become collapsed, we can become numb, we can feel overwhelmed. Everything just becomes too much. And when everything becomes too much, we collapse, we become numb, and we disengage from others in the world. We've also got the parasympathetic nervous system, and this is in a state of where our body is in calm, relaxed state. And this is also a state where we want to be. And I'm going to show you an exercise today where we can invoke a sense of calm in our nervous system with a visualization. And this is a visualization that we use as a safe place within EMDR therapy. And what we're going to do, we're going to do a calm place or a safe place, you can call it whatever you like, or your happy place, where it's going to invoke this state in your nervous system, the parasympathetic nervous system, where it's going to be making you feel and invoke this sense of calm into your body. So what we're going to do, I want you to think about, somewhere where you've either felt happy, safe, or a sense of calm in your past before. It can be a real place or it can be an imaginary place. So just take a few moments to think about somewhere where it gives you a sense of peace or calm. Some people, pause this video if you want to while you're thinking about it. Some people like beaches, like the water or a river. Some people like the woodlands and being out in nature or a field. So really think about, where is a time in your life where you felt maybe happy or a sense of calm and peace? I'll just give you a moment to think about that. Right, you've got a clear picture in mind. I want you to really focus on this image and notice all the little details and colour and how you're feeling with this image. Notice, I want you to see if you can connect to it somewhere in your body. Sometimes people report they have this nice feeling maybe in their chest or their stomach or in their mind. They might be feeling a bit lighter, a sense of calm. And when you've got this, I want you to just take a couple of deep breaths and just notice this sense of calm, not really forcing the breath. So just breathe in maybe for 2, 3, 4, and breathe out for 2, 3, 4. Just do a couple of breaths, whatever is natural and right for you, without forcing. So what I want you to do now, we're going to do the butterfly hug, okay? So what we're going to do now, crossing our arms. If it feels more comfortable, you can do here the butterfly hug on your chest, your fingers upright in the center of your chest. You can have your arms at the side. In your image, in your mind's eye, you're noticing where you feel this sense of calm or happy or safe in your body, and allow yourself to enjoy this image as much as you can. And we're just going to do some really slow tapping to install this in your nervous system. This will calm down your nervous system. If you can connect to this image in your body and enjoy it as much as you can. Pause this video if you like, while you're just taking a few moments to sit with your image and how you feel within your body, and enjoy this as much as you can. So I want you to think about now a certain part on your image, really hone in on your image and ensure it's a still picture. So it's not moving, it doesn't contain close family members because they can have positive and negative association. So just notice now, hone in on a part of your image where it really gives you this sense of calm or peace. And just notice this as you're doing some more tapping. And notice where you feel this in your body. And allow yourself to enjoy this feeling as much as possible. Transport yourself there. And I want you to add in now, are there any pleasant smells associated to your image? Maybe if you're by the beach, there's a nice salty air. If you're in the woodlands, a nice earthy smell. And just tap for a few moments more, noticing if there's any pleasant smells. I want you to notice if there's any sounds that are pleasing. Maybe a gentle breeze rustling through the trees, or the sound of the waves. Just notice these sounds as well, associated your image as you're tapping, and allow yourself to enjoy this as much as possible. Do you feel anything on your skin? Any sensations? Is there a gentle breeze or the warmth of the sun? Just hold this image and tap further, and going deeper and deeper into your calm place as you hold this image in your mind and you feel this sense of calm in your body. If your mind starts to wander, just go back to your image and notice where you feel that sense of calm in your body and tap. I want you to think of a word or a phrase that fits with your picture or how you're feeling. Could be safe, could be calm, could be happy, relaxed. Whatever feels right for you. Take a couple of seconds to think. We're going to install that next. Once you've chosen your keyword, pause the video if you need more time. But once you've chosen your keyword, I want you to say in your mind's eye this word. So for example, if it's calm, as you're tapping, with each tap in your mind's eye, say calm. As you hold your image and notice where you feel this sense of calm in your body, and tap, feeling this calmness deeper and deeper within your body with each tap. You can do this exercise as often as you want throughout the day. I'd encourage you to at least do it 2-3 times a day to invoke this sense of calm. And especially if you're noticing you're starting to feel stressed, just take a moment, step aside, and take a couple of seconds, couple of moments, just to go to your calm, your safe place, and just tap, whether you're wanting to do it for a few seconds or for to do it even longer if you're wanting to. The more you do this, you're going to invoke this sense of calm in your nervous system, and you're going to be in this state of the parasympathetic nervous system, in a state of calm and relaxed. If you have any questions or anything you want to know, or how you're feeling with doing this exercise, just pop in the comments below. Let me know how you're feeling after doing this, okay? And how you're feeling after doing it maybe every day for a week, 2 weeks. Just see if you notice any difference and to see how this helps you in your life. So I thank you for watching, and watch my other videos. I've also got some really nice meditations that also help with difficulties that are going on in your life to keep you in this nice, relaxed state. See, when we're in this calm, relaxed state, we can then also deal with more challenging things that happen in our life with more ease. So again, thanks for watching, and watch my other videos and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thank you.